Hi everyone. Just a couple more trig identities to show and work and practice how to verify. And I look at this one. I got tangent squared theta over 1 plus secant theta. I'm going to work with this side, see what happens here. The trig identity that goes with tangent and secant, those are two to pair together. I think if you look at our suggestions that we had before, 1 plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. And if I subtract 1 from both sides, I have that identity. So I'm going to replace tangent squared theta with secant squared theta plus or minus 1. Yeah, minus 1. And I'm going to put this over 1 plus secant theta. And we actually kind of saw this earlier. There's a chance to factor here. And it's secant theta plus 1 times secant theta minus 1. We are over 1 plus secant of theta. And I think if you see, these two are the same. I can cancel these two out. And I've got secant of theta minus 1. All right. Remember what we want. We want cosine. Well, maybe if I write this, because secant of theta, keep writing my equals in here, secant of theta is 1 over cosine theta minus 1. Now if I take that, this is 1 fraction. Maybe I can try to make this into 1 fraction. Come on, focus. You can do it. There you go. 1 over cosine theta. Now 1 is just, let's just use cosine theta over cosine theta. Rewrite 1 as numerator over a same denominator. Now we have the common denominator. I can write this as one expression. That's 1 minus cosine theta over cosine theta. Get my equals. And I think if we take a good look, that's what we were trying to get. Okay. Verified. All right, my last one here that I'll do on video. This is kind of a one they recommend for calculus, to look at these kind. And boy, this looks like the more complicated side. So maybe we verify this. I'm looking at tangent of x here and here. Tangent of x is a common factor of this and here. So I'm going to take that GCF out of there, and I got secant squared of x minus 1. And that's the tangent of x, secant squared x minus 1. Now, remember this, 1 plus tangent squared, that is equal tangent squared. If I subtract 1, that's equal to tangent squared theta from that identity. So this is equal to tangent squared of x. Tangent of x times tangent squared of x is tangent cubed of x. And by golly, we have an identity. All right. Well, after previous night's long video, you get this short video, and I'm done with this. So you guys have a good day. See you tomorrow.